morning students. The worksheet, okay, the last class worksheet. First, convert into millimeters. Convert into millimeter. Okay, the first one. First see the one. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Already the last class saw. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, now come to the first sum. First 90 centimeter. Convert into millimeter. First see millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. The smallest unit of measurement millimeter and the highest unit kilometer. Okay, you convert the centimeter to millimeter, multiply 10. Okay, the question given centimeter, but I convert the answer millimeter, you multiply 10. The question given meter, you convert the centimeter, you multiply the 100. Next, the question given kilometer, you convert the meter, you multiply 1000. Now see, the question given meter, you convert to the kilometer, divide 1000. Next, the question given centimeter, you convert meter, divide 100. The question given millimeter, you convert the centimeter, divide 10. Okay, now use the formula. So sums. First 90 centimeter, convert the millimeter. The question given centimeter, okay, you convert the millimeter, so multiply 10. 90 into 10, 900 millimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Next, 5 centimeter, 8 millimeter. 5. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? 10 millimeter. So 5 into 10. Plus already 8 millimeter. Okay, so keep it. 5 into 10, 15 plus 8 millimeter. The answer is 58 millimeter. The answer is 58 millimeter. Next, 5 meter, 9 millimeter. Go to see. 1 meter is equal to how many millimeter? 1000 millimeters. So you multiply 5 into 1000. The answer 5000. Plus 9 millimeter. So the answer is 5009 millimeter. 5009 millimeter. The next convert into centimeter. The question given meter, you convert the centimeter. The question given meter, you convert centimeter. Multiply 100. Okay. So 8 into 100, 800 centimeter. Because 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. Next, 6 meter. 6 into 100 plus the 4 already in centimeter. So the answer 600 plus 4. So answer is 604 centimeter. 604 centimeter. Next, convert into meter. Kilometer. Kilometer convert to meter, multiply 1000. So 8 into 1000 plus 400. 400 on the meter. So 8 into 1000, 8000 plus 400. 8400 meter. Okay, now convert into kilometer. The question given meter, you convert the kilometer. Question is given meter, you convert the kilometer. So divide 1000. Divide 1000. 5430 divided by 1000. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So you put the point 3 digit before. 5.430, 5 kilometer, 430 meter. 5 kilometer, 430 meter. Okay. Next, 8 meter. That's 8 divided by 1000. Because 1 meter is equal to, 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. 3030 answer. The answer is 8 kilometer. Okay. The worksheet is over now. Next is the next homework. Take the page number. Answer the following question. 72. Now take the page number 72. Life oriented problems. Okay. G. Answer the following. Take the page number 72 Mala. big. So I write answer only. Okay. Now read the question. See. Saravanan had chosen to drive his vehicle from Puducherry to Chennai. Okay, Saravanan had chosen to drive his vehicle from Puducherry to Chennai for a distance of 165 kilometers. 165 kilometers. Next, while starting his vehicle, his odometer showed 00015. Okay, what will be reading of the odometer when he reaches Chennai? When he reaches Chennai. Now I write answer only. You read the question 1 or 2 times, viewers. The distance from Puducherry to Chennai. Puducherry to Chennai. How many kilometers? 165 kilometers. Next, the odometer showed 00015. Next, 157 kilometer. 157 kilometer. The 7 is missing, mom. Next, reading odometer. Reading odometer after reached Chennai. Saravanan choose Puducherry to Chennai, 165 km already given the question. Okay, the odometer showed 00157. The 7 is missing in your 7. Okay, 7157 km. Reading odometer after reached Chennai, 165 km plus 00157. Okay, now add these numbers. 00157, 165. 7 plus 5 how much? 12. 2. The remaining 1. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 6 12. 2. The remaining 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 3. How many 0? 3 0. The answer is 322 kilometer. 322 kilometer. Okay. The next question. Take your book. See the second question. Karthik Raja decided to travel from A. He moves 1 kilometer east. 1 kilometer east to reach B. Then he goes 2 kilometers towards north and reaches C. Then he goes 1 kilometer towards west and reaches B. If he goes 2 kilometers towards south, where would he reach? Okay, draw a diagram and justify it. Also find out the total distance he traveled. Okay. First the Karthik Raja moves to A point. A. Okay. How many kilometers moves to A to B? 1 kilometer moves to point B. Next, B to C, how many kilometers? He moves towards 2 kilometers. B to C. Next, C towards the D reaches how many kilometers? 1 kilometer. Next, he reaches towards 2 kilometers and reaches A. Okay, he comes where? A. He would reach. The answer. He would reach A. He would reach A. Okay. He would reach A. Next step. Total distance. How much? 1 kilometer. Next 2 kilometer. Next 1 kilometer. Next 2 kilometer. Now all these numbers 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 6. So total distance 6 kilometer. Okay. Find out the total distance he traveled 6 kilometer. Okay. Now see the third question. Now see the third question. Sangeeta had just finished building a new house with garden area. She measured the garden area and found it to be 6 meter into 6 meter. Suppose she has to put a pole every 1 meter. How many poles are required? Each pole is of the height is 1.5 meter from the ground. Okay. What should be total length of the fencing material to fence the garden? Okay. First, side of the garden, how much? Side of the garden already given 6 meter. Okay. Next, the garden 6 meter, 6 meter, 6 meter, 6 meter. Okay. Side of the garden already given 6 meter. Number of poles required. Number of poles required. Already the question given. See the third line. She has put a pole every 1 meter. So 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, 1 plus 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 18, 8 plus 6 24 meter. Okay, 24 meter. The total length of the last question I want to ask them. The total length of the fencing material. Total length of the fencing material. Total length of the fencing material to fence the garden. To fence the garden. 24 into the 1 meter. How much height? 1.5. See the fourth line. Each pole of height is 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter. Now you multiply the 24 into 15. Okay. 4 5s are 20. 0. Remaining 2. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. Next 1 4s are 4. 1 2s are 2. 0. 4 plus 2 6. 2 plus 1 3. The question 1.5. Okay, so put the point 1 point before. So the answer is 36 meter. The answer is 36 meter. Okay. The next fourth sum. The fourth question. A student needs 1 meter 25 centimeter cloth to stitch a shirt. Okay, a student needs 1 meter 25 centimeter cloth to stitch a shirt. What is the total length of the cloth needed to stitch 22 shirts? Okay, 22 shirts. Cloth is needed. Cloth is needed for one student. How much? 1 meter 25 centimeter. Already given the question. Okay. Now total length. Total length is needed for 22 students. 22 students. So multiply 1 meter 25 centimeter into 22. 1 meter 25 centimeter into 22. 125 into 22. 5 2s are 10, 0. Remaining 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 1 2s are 2. The same. 2 5s are 10, 0. Remaining 1. 2 2s are 4. Balance 1. Sorry. 5. 2 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 5. And 1 2s are 2. 0. 5. 5 plus 2 7. 2. So how much meter? 2 kilometer 750 meter. The answer is 27 meter. Sorry, the answer is 27 meter 50 centimeter. 27 meter 50 centimeter. Okay. So next fifth sum. The distance from village A to B The fifth sum, distance from village A to B. Village A to B, how much? 3 kilometer, 450 meter. Distance B to C, 5 kilometer, 350 meter. Okay. How long will be the road laid from A to C? Okay. A to C. So now add A to C. So add 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10, 0. Remaining 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8 meter. Here kilometer. 5 plus 3, 8. The answer is 8 kilometer, 800 meter. 8 kilometer, 800 kilometer. Okay. The answer the following question over. Like the problem over. Okay. Next, take the same page number 71. 71. True or false? B. True or false? 600 meters equal to 6 millimeter. 600 meters equal to 6 millimeter. Wrong. 600 meters equal to how many meters? 6. The formula is false. Answer is false. Because 1 meter is equal to how many millimeter? 1000 millimeter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So answer is wrong. Next, second one. 7000 meter. 7000 meter is 7 kilometer. 7 kilometer. Okay. Right. Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 7 kilometer is equal to 7000 meter. The next third one. 400 centimeter is 400 centimeter is equal to 4 kilometer. How many centimeters equal to 1 kilometer? 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. Okay. So answer is false. Next step. 770 millimeter, 77 centimeter. Okay, the answer is true because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 77 centimeters is equal to 707 millimeter. So the answer is true. The next fifth one, 9000 meter is 90 millimeter. 9000 meters is equal to 90 millimeter. False. Okay. Because 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. The formula is too long. So the answer is false. Yes. Now see the addition. Page number 67. Page number 67. Example, first one, find the sum of 7 meter, 25 centimeter plus 15 meter, 50 centimeter. The first sum. Next, second sum, 5 kilometer, 700 meter plus 12 meter, 12 kilometer, 450 meter. First write meter, centimeter, 7, 25, 15, 50. Okay, now add this. 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 5, how much? 12, 2, the remaining 1 plus 1, 2. The answer is 22 meter, 75 centimeter. 22 meter, 75 centimeter. The next step. Kilometer, meter, 5 kilometer, 700 meter, 12 kilometer, 450 meter. 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5. 7 plus 4, how much? 11, 1, remaining 1, 5 plus 2, sorry, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, and 1. 18 kilometer, 150 meter, 18 kilometer, 150 meter, okay. 22 meter, 75 centimeter, and 18 kilometer, 150 meter, okay. Next, page number 68. Example: the length of 3 roofs are 1 meter. The length of 3 ropes are 1 meter 20 centimeter, 1 meter 20 centimeter, and 2 meter 15 centimeter, and 1 meter 25 centimeter. The length of the 3 ropes. Okay. The total length of 3 ropes. So add these numbers: 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, remaining 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. The answer is 4 meter 60 centimeter. 4 meter 60 centimeter. And the length of first rope, the length of second rope, and length of third rope, and total length of the ropes. Okay. Next is subtraction. Find the difference. The subtraction. Find the difference. First one, 75 kilometer, 500 meter minus 40 kilometer, 250 meter. First write the kilometer and meter. 75, 500, 40, 250. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible, so borrow the number here for here 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 4, 3. So the answer is 35 kilometer, 250 meter. 35 kilometer, 250 meter. The next sum. 55 kilometer, 75 centimeter minus 23 meter, 40 centimeter. Kilometer, centimeter, 55, 75, 23, 40. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, 32 kilometer, 35 meter. Okay, 55 kilometer, 75 centimeter minus 23 meter, 40 centimeter. The answer is 32 kilometer, 35 meter. The next subtraction is over. The next multiplication. Next is the multiplication in the next class, dears. Thank you. Next, take the page number 69. Multiplication sum. Example 1. First sum, 12 kilometer, 225 meter into 6. The second sum, 75 meter, 15 centimeter into 5. Now multiply the number kilometer, meter, 12, 225 into 6. 6 5 is 30, 0, 3. 6 5 is 30, 0 and 3. 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 3, 15. 5, balance 1, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 3, and remaining 1, 6 2s are 12, the same, 13, 3, remaining 1, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. The answer is 73 kilometer, 350 meter, 73 kilometer, 350 meter. Okay, the next sum, 75, 15 into 5 meter, centimeter. 5 5s are 25, 25, balance 2, 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 5s are 25, 5, balance 2, 7 5s are 35, 36, 37, that is 375 meter and 75 centimeter, 375 meter and 75 centimeter. Okay, next take the page number 17. See the sum. The length of a ribbon is 4 meter 25 centimeter. The length of a ribbon. Length of a ribbon 4 meter 25 centimeter and find total length of the 3 ribbons. So multiply the 3. Okay. 5 3s are 15. Remaining 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 4s are 12. So the answer is 12 meter 75 centimeter. 12 meter 75 centimeter. Next division. Okay. Next division, take page number 17. The first sum 84 meter 40 centimeter divided by 4. The second sum 360 kilometer 540 meter divided by 9. 84 meter 40 centimeter. Okay, divided by 4. Now say the fourth table. Okay, how many 4s are 8? 2 4s are 8. So 8 minus 8 0. Next step, number 4. How many 4s are 4? 1 4s are 4. 4 minus 4 0. Next step, 4. How many 4s are 4? 1 4s are 4. Answer is 0. The next number also 0. So the next 0 put the quotient. So answer is 21 meter 10 centimeter. 21 meter 10 centimeter. Next is the second sum 360 and 540 kilometer and 540 is meter divided by 9. Say the ninth table. How many 9s are 36? Okay, the first take the one number, then 3 is below 9, so take the 2 number 36. Say the 9th table, 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. 36 minus 36 0. The next number also 0. So you put the number 0. Next you down the number 5. The 5 is below 9. So down the next number 4. So put 0. Okay. Now say the ninth table. 5 9s are 45. 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. The another one 0. Okay. The answer is 0. The another 0. So this 0 also put the quotient. So answer is 40 kilometer 60 meter. 40 kilometer 60 meter. Okay. The next step, take the page number 71. If the total length of 4 pieces of cloth is 8 meter 60 centimeter, what is the length of one piece of cloth? Okay, total length already given. 4 pieces length is 8 meter 60 centimeter. Now ask the question. One piece of the cloth. Okay, so divided by 4. How many 4s are 8? 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Next you down the 6. How many 4s are 6? Same. 4s are 6. No. Okay, 1 4s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 1 4s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Okay. You take the number below 6. So 1 4s are 4. 6 minus 1 2. Next down the next number 0. How many 4s are? 5 4s are 20. So 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 20 0. The answer is 2 meter 15 centimeter. 2 meter 15 centimeter. Each one part. Total length of the cloth 8 meter 60 centimeter. Length of one piece divided by 4. So the answer is 2 meter 15 centimeter. Okay. Okay. Now thank you.